Hi ladies, and welcome again to Weekends. I'd like to take you through the newest delivery from Mela Purdie. A beautiful collection as always. I'm wearing the Flute Plaza top in mache. It comes in a variety of colours. This is the, I've forgotten already, this is called the Atlantis, this beautiful blue. It comes in navy, it comes in black, white, ether. Ether is this gorgeous colour here. This is the gorgeous single pocket shirt, which is a traditional style for Mela Purdie. Beautiful soft shirt with the one pocket. We've repeated that in the a variety of colours. There it is in the navy, but it comes in all the colours as well. And you can see that all online, so jump online to Weekends and have a look at all the pieces there. Now in the silk, they've done an amazing shirt and little Audrey tank cami that goes underneath it. And I think that looks amazing outfit back with a nomad pant, which we've restocked. So I'll bring that forward for you to have a look at in that beautiful silk. Just a really elegant outfit there. Then we've got the gorgeous Jasper in the soft shirt. That's a new colourway, and that's in all sizes. And it's got the placket front, which I like. It covers the buttons there on that one, so it gives it a more corporate look. If you wanted to dress that up for work, you easily could do, or pair it back with a pair of jeans to dress it right down. A new style shirt in a stretchy cotton poplin is the smooth shirt. It's a beautiful soft cotton. And it's got the great cuffs there, so if you wanted to put a vest over the top of that or whatever, you could have the cuff sticking out.
It's actually the microprene.
Sorry, this is the microprene. I'm still learning about Mela, but it's an amazing brand, and look at that beautiful
Same
shirt.
as the nomad pant.
Same as the nomad pant, same as this gorgeous pant here in the microprene. Yep. Then we've got the new Bistro blouse. We've got this here in the white and the Atlantis. Super floaty, gorgeous, gorgeous. As you can see, the colour is just stunning and really flattering style. You can wear that sort of open as a jacket, or you could wear it back with a pair of tight pants as well. Then we move into the new lace that Mela Purdie has done. This is the shell shirt in the oat colourway. Is it oat or Oaten? Oaten colourway. Gorgeous lace with a button through, short sleeve and covered placket, and looks fantastic back with the Bedouin pant, which I showed you in an earlier video. This is that floaty leg, really elegant, back with a pair of high heels, or even just chuck on some sand shoes and really dress it down. So that's the Oaten in the shirt, and the Bedouin pant in the Oaten as well. And then we've got the Bedouin pant in the Sapphire, which has got the beautiful float again with the elastic back, flat front for flattery. And then we've got the lovely transit tee in the Sapphire lace. So the lace detail is gorgeous in that shirt there. And so that's an introduction to some of the new Mela. Jump online and have a look at it, because there's plenty.